The budget. Create a new budget. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any small business, and a budget is a very important tool in managing cash flow. If you have not previously created a budget, when you click on the Budget tab, a window appears to assist you create a new budget. If you have a saved budget, the Budget tab will open to the most recently used budget. Click on New to create a new budget. Type in the name for your budget. Example, my budget 2012. Select the choice for your initial data. If you do not have any data recorded in the program, select No Initial Data. If you have data in the program, you can use this as the starting point for your budget. Select Historical Data and change the dates to the starting date for the period you would like to use. Click on OK. Your budget will now be loaded, ready for you to review and edit. For each category of money in and money out, record the amount you expect to receive for each month. To enter data, click in the cell and enter an amount. If you have loaded historical data to help create your budget, you may wish to increase your totals by a set percentage for inflation. In fact, you can also use this option to increase the whole budget, a time period, or selected column by an amount. Click on the Increase button. Select the amount of the increase. Select whether the increase is a percentage or whole dollars. You can now choose to apply the increase over the whole budget, selected date ranges, or selected columns. Select your choice and click OK. Arrow or scroll to the bottom of the budget screen. Type in your opening cash balance into the white cell named Opening Cash for the first month of your budget. Opening cash includes your bank balance and your cash on hand. Hint: record an overdraft with a minus. Click on the Save button to save your budget. Note: the opening cash is added to your net money in to calculate the closing cash balance for each month. The closing cash balance is then transferred to the opening cash for the next month. Also note: 12 months will normally display, but this may vary depending on the resolution of your computer screen. However, you can include more than 12 months in your budget. Click on the right arrow next to the dates at the top of your work area to move to the next month, or click on the left arrow to go to a prior month. Helpful hints to create a budget. Use the Enter, Tab, and arrow keys to move around the screen. Remember to estimate when you are likely to receive payment where goods are sold on credit. Don't forget money in from loans, sales of plant, and your own money. Some money out transactions, such as rent and loan repayments, may be the same each month. Others, such as stock purchases, will vary with the expected level of sales. Other payments, such as equipment replacements, will vary for other reasons. Be realistic. Sometimes it is valid to take last year's amount, but often it's not. Remember that holiday pay means a big payment followed by a reduction in wages for the next few weeks. Don't forget that some payments, such as insurance and income tax, only occur occasionally, or commitments recently entered into or planned. Remember, you are looking at when the payment will be made, not when you receive the bill. If you have an amount that will occur in a number of months, type the amount in the first month and click on the amount to highlight it. Then right-click on the amount and select Copy. Right-click on the next cell and select Paste to paste the amount into that cell. Opening a saved budget. Saved budgets can be selected from the bottom left corner of the budget screen. Ensure you have saved your current budget first if you have made any changes. Export your budget. Click on Save As to create a comma-separated value CFV delimited text file that can be opened in programs such as Microsoft Excel. Alternatively, use the Save As options when printing your budget report in Reports to save as an Excel file. Comparing your actual cash flow to budget. Comparing actual results with your budget each month highlights the differences between your budget and your performance. This enables you to examine the reasons for the differences and to act on the reasons to improve future performance. Click on the Comparison button in the budget. Select the period you want to compare using the options at the top of the screen. Click on Compare. Type in any comments or action required. Click on the Print button to print or email your comparison. You can also export your comparison by clicking on Export to create a comma-separated value delimited text file that can be opened in programs such as Microsoft Excel. Click on OK when you have finished.